suppose. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Breakdown alert. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die.
Okay, Steven's inside. It's the Black Hawk one. Oh, it's cold.
Why that
Here. Are you so cold? Breakdown alert. Breakdown alert.
Okay. Cooperating. Oh. Careful. That was hilarious. Okay. Was it freezing? Is it cold? Okay, it's okay. Hi, Kitty!
I'm not kidding.
This level is unlocked! Literally. Look at the kid in the pool. He looks like he's taking a poop in the pool. He's crouching. He's crouching. We can't see his gamer tag. He's crouching. We can't see his gamer tag. The gamer tag of life. Okay, now it is my turn to go in. Quick, dry off with something. Dry off your hands with my towel, but don't dry off the rest of you, okay? Okay, here's the iPad. Okay, I'm going to...
Round 2.
Wait, I want... I can't swim.
Give me a towel, please. I'm freezing. Yeah.
It's warm. Let me get this thing on.
Dylan, don't eat it.
There we go. Yeah.
This time.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy.
Will I be able to swim? Ah, don't put me in.
Max, stop.
I can float. I can float. No, I can't float. It's too light. It's too light for me. I'm too heavy. Ah, I'm thinking.
I can float.
Hey, you didn't do a cannonball.
What?
You didn't do a cannonball.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I won this round. I won this round automatically. Do one.
So far, you haven't gone the second round. I heard baseball. Ooh, that was horrible because I have a zinger on.
What?
I think you took my contact. Okay, somebody else go. I can't see that good. Contact. You go, go. Okay. Everything's warm now. To the alligator.
Why can't it be my turn?
need to belly up. You need to turn it over. Turn it over. Quick. Then breathe. Then breathe. Breathe. Crazy. I'm getting out of the pool. My mini life vest. Oh,
I forfeit round 2 and 3. I'm cold.
can't swim.
I forfeit round 2 and 3.
What?
I forfeit every single round.
Look out, back up! Back up! Back up! She's dumb. She's going in. How many minutes are we at, Brady?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this little video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Peace out!